Ever since the pandemic began back in 2020, educators like you have been asked to carry more than ever, more responsibilities, more stress, and fewer resources. I've spoken with countless educators who are exhausted, overwhelmed, and wondering how they can keep going in this profession. That's why I created this course to help you reclaim your emotional wellness and find your footing again. Now, I know what you might be thinking, Mike, I'm drowning in to-dos. I don't have time for a self-care course. I hear you. Talking about self-care when you're burned out can feel like just another task you don't have time for. But this course isn't just about bubble baths and breathing exercises. It's about real practical strategies to help you regain control of your time, your energy, and most importantly, your peace of mind. I am not a classroom educator. However, I listen to them, and I've collaborated with a team of educators to ensure every lesson in this course is relevant, respectful of your reality, and ready to make an impact. The tools that you will learn are designed for you to reduce burnout, build resilience, and help you show up for your students without losing yourself. You deserve support, and this is your first step. Enroll now and start rediscovering the gift of emotional wellness on your terms.